this helps you out, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. Alright guys, first things first, we're gonna open the hood right here. So open the hood. Alright guys, so you wanna put your hand here, right over here. You want to push it to your left, then up. 119 Accord, 2-liter, sub 3 transmission fluid change. Morning. Engine, transmission, drain plug, Old-Lead ATF2. This is the filler. This is the level chart level. .38. Stand that a bit, and I'm gonna crack that open. Crack the filler. 17 mil. Make sure you have some pan underneath to catch anything that will come out. That's up. Gonna drain this, remove this drain plug. You guys have some kind of bucket to catch the old one just to see how much came out. That's good. If not, that's okay. I'll give you the fluid capacity anyway. 4.2, 4.3. Drain plug, filler plug. .36 foot-pounds. .3 liters. I'm gonna put in 4.5 liter, and then check the level. Alright, so I'm gonna use this machine right here. You could also buy a hand pump operated ones, the cheap one, and you can pump it in through that hole there, the filler. There you go. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna use. Shake well before using, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna dump it in there and start filling it. Alright guys, this is my setup right here, so that will go around through this little hole and into to the fillet hole. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna pump this, and you'll see that the it's gonna start, yep, going in. Oh, it's starting to leak, so I better slow down with the pump. Alright, so I'm gonna keep doing this, guys, and I'm gonna try to fix this so it doesn't leak. But basically this is how you do it, right? I'm gonna put about, I'll try to push out 4.56, 4.6, 4.8 in there. I'm gonna check the level anyway and drain the whatever is overfilled, so you don't have to refill again. Alright guys, so that's the trick. Alright guys, so I got a new setup here. So I've connected a hose here, and this is a little bit more flexible than this hose. So then the hole, it's not a straight through, so it's kind of like that way, right? And an L angle, so it will go in and down. So I had basically I have my hand like this, alright, like that, and it's not gonna leak. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the filler plug back on. 32 foot-pounds, and I'm gonna go bring this down and drive through all the gears. Alright, so that's tight, 32 foot-pounds. I'm gonna drop the vehicle. Alright guys, so I'm in the vehicle here, and I'm gonna start the vehicle now. Foot on the brake. Alright, I'm gonna start. Alright, so I'm gonna go to reverse with my foot on the brake, press all the way, reverse, 3 seconds, 3 seconds, and then back, and then gonna put it on sport, and I will be using this pedal shifter. Press it on drive, and then press this. There you go. Alright, and I'm gonna shut off the engine now. Put it on park and shut off the engine. And now it's time to go check the level. Alright, so I got this thing loose. I want to use a 12mm socket to loosen this up. I'm gonna have some pan underneath here to catch the fluid that's gonna come out. There's two type of bolt integrated washers and separated washers. What I have here is, I think, is integrated. Just gonna slowly remove this. I know it's gonna spill a lot because I overfill it purposely. Let it drain a little bit more. Alright guys, so this is integrated. I can't separate the washer in this plug. Alright, so you don't need to replace it. Alright, I think that's good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in. And the torque spec is 15 foot-pounds. Good. Now, time to put the cover back on. Okay, so this is back on. I just gotta put all the bolt and the screw. Make sure that this one right there. Alright. So this aluminum cover goes under there. Same with this one. Alright guys, that's it. If you guys like this content, comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Have a good day guys.